Now, if you're looking for ways you can support prostate cancer awareness and research, there's an event happening just for you. We have Sam Barnes with the Fayetteville Alumni Chapter of Kappa Alpha Psi Fraternity Incorporated and Dr. Derek Gray joining us today. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hi, how are you?
Yes, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Dr. Gray, let's start with you. What is prostate cancer?
Prostate cancer is abnormal cells in the prostate gland. That's when normal cells turn bad in layman's terms.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
I'm glad you broke it down for me in layman's terms because technical jargon, I get confused. So.
Yes. What are some of the warning signs that we should be looking out for?
Great question. The biggest thing we need to get out to the community is sometimes there are no warning signs at all. A person cannot have any symptoms, so that's why it's important to get into your doctor and get evaluated. There are some people that do have signs where they may have trouble with urination, dribbling, and some people, if the disease progresses, can have back pain.
Okay.
But for a lot of people, there's no sign at all.
None whatsoever.
Yeah.
Yes,
okay.
sir. And that's why we're trying to get this event out there, to get that information out to the public, to let them
Sure.
know, hey, you need to get checked out.
Yeah. Dr. Gray, are there any statistics you can share when it comes to prostate cancer?
Yes. The biggest thing our event want to focus on is minorities.
Okay.
Definitely people should get a PSA, which is a blood draw from their doctor, usually at the age of 50 for all men.
Okay.
But in African Americans, we want that number to be at 45 because we know that African Americans and anybody of Caribbean ancestry have a higher incidence, anywhere from 60% or even higher have been shown to get prostate cancer.
Okay. So 45 for the African American community. But is this something that could potentially run in someone's family?
Great question.
Okay.
Yes, and I think
Absolutely. This is so important to me because I have a family history of prostate cancer, my father included, so I've started getting checked very early. So it's important for us to get the information out to individuals so we can save lives.
Yeah, that's great. Is it ever too early to be checked?
You know, I was talking to Sam just before we came on, and I was telling him, since she has a significant family history, he does, it's okay to get checked a little early. I know there are guidelines out there, but every situation is different. And so we know in our day and age with insurance, and sometimes the insurance may not cover it, but if that risk is such a high event, that's why you need to talk to your doctor and decide whether or not.
So it's all about that conversation, right?
That
with
is
your,
correct.
With your practitioner.
That's correct. And even myself, my father had prostate cancer, my uncle has prostate cancer, so I told my doctor, hey,
Sure.
let's get checked out a little bit sooner.
Yeah. Which is interesting. A doctor having a doctor.
I know.
Yeah.
You don't think about that sometimes.
Yeah.
We all need one.
Yes.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
we've kind of danced around at this event. It's upcoming, right? Can you give us the details on when and where it's happening?
Absolutely. The event will be this Saturday at the historic St. James Missionary Baptist Church at 11 a.m. The address is 764 West North Street in Fayetteville, Arkansas.
Yeah, we've got some information for you right there on the screen. Sam, I want to give a shout out to the fraternity because we previously talked about a blood drive that the fraternity hosted recently. Quickly touch on just the importance of community service.
So we're trying to make sure that we do our part in the community and get out in the community, be visible, trying to help people save lives. We're very important to us about the community gaining access, letting people know what we can and can't do, and we want to make sure that we are visible and letting this information out there to try to save lives and be a part of the community.
Yeah,
Yes, absolutely.
That's so great.
We appreciate the work that you're doing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Any other events coming up that we should keep an eye on?
Yes, we're working on several things. Please follow us on Instagram.
Okay.
It's called Fayetteville_Noops1911 for more updates and things to come.
All right.
Okay.
That's
okay.
great.
Definitely get checked out. Dr. Gray, what's your information? People want to reach out and schedule an appointment with you.
I'm at UMS Northwest,
Okay.
and you can call our office at 479-750-6585.
That's great. Yeah.
Thank you both so much for
Thank
everything
you so
you're doing
much.
around
Yes.
this
Thanks for what
Appreciate
you're
it.
doing
Thank
in the
you.
community. Absolutely.